Hey guys, it's Shannon and Brian. I have him here today because this is a completely different style of video than you're used to seeing. You're used to seeing tutorials, but we have a really big 2020 year on tap, and Brian is very much a big part of it. So I thought it was only appropriate that he be here for this video too. But if you want to go back and check out, I just released my best of 2019. So if you want to go back and check out the amazing year that we had this whole last year, I'll link that video down in the description box. That just went up the last video, and so I thought it would be a great idea to sort of give you a look into what is coming for 2020. All right, so the very first thing, there's actually three really big things that I want to talk about. The fourth thing, I'm gonna give you a hint and clue as to what's coming. But the very first thing that is going to be huge for 2020 is finishing the she shed. So last year, we rolled out the news that we were building me a she shed or cottage or studio, and I'll link that playlist down below because if you're new and you don't quite know what I'm talking about, you can go back and watch the playlist. We sort of started the project without filling you guys in on it, and then released a huge video as a surprise into our big secret. And so over the last year, we've been working on getting all of that. So 2019, we basically built the whole outside. The whole outside is completely finished, minus gutters. We didn't put gutters on the front, but that's not a big deal. And we started working on the inside in 2019, but 2020, we are going to completely finish the inside. Finally, there will be a big tour. There will be a big sort of red ribbon cutting. If you're part of my membership, my TheDailyDIYer membership, you will actually get some exclusive content once we release this video. So if you want to look into my membership, I'll link that down in the description box below too, so you'll get lots of kind of behind the scenes things that I don't necessarily put out on my channel because this is more just DIY stuff, whereas if you want more kind of personal things and you like the idea of doing a monthly craft night with me, definitely want to check out the membership. So the big plans for the inside of the shed coming up, I just put an update so you'll be able to see some of the inside of the shed. Right now we did the shiplap and the drywall and the insulation. But the big thing that's coming is going to be the finishing of it. So we're going to be working on a huge fireplace wall with built-in bookcases and all the painting, all the flooring, all the cabinets that are going to go in there. Plus, of course, all of the decor. Probably some builds as far as like a work table goes. We have countertops and all kinds of stuff. So I'm really excited to bring you guys along with us as we finally finish the she shed. So the really exciting news that is coming up really quickly that only my devoted DIYers of my membership have even heard about yet is that me, along with two other DIY YouTubers, are going to be flying out to Phoenix to take part in the CREATIVATION conference. And so if you're in the Phoenix area, I really hope that maybe we can do some kind of meetup at the convention. If you're gonna be there, send me an email. I would love to sort of meet some of you, along with the other two YouTubers, who is going to be Courtney from Creative on the Cheap, as well as Jennifer from A Little Bit of Common Crazy. So if you're not following them, go follow them. We plan to sort of vlog the experience, bring you guys along with us. We'll probably be doing some fun collabs together. And if you don't know what the CREATIVATION conference is it is a creative person's, DIYers, crafty person's dream. It is just an amazing experience to learn about new products, new innovative things that are coming into the craft world, meeting different brands and products. So we're all really excited about it. So the dates that I personally will be at the conference is Friday, January 17th through Sunday the 19th. So yeah, we're just really excited about that, and I'm excited to bring you the content from that. I'm excited to learn new things that I can bring to you guys on this channel for next year. Excited to get to be around some other YouTubers that kind of understand the industry, and also excited to try out new products. Again, something that you guys could probably benefit from and learn about. So yeah, I'll put more information in the description box below about that too. And then if you're not following me on Facebook and on Instagram, make sure to follow me there too, because I will probably be doing a lot of stories and lives while we're there as well. And then the reason, well, of course, Brian, you're involved in all of this. So he is the support system. He picks up all the slack as I do a lot of the work for YouTube and everything that's involved with this. So of course he's here because he's the thing that keeps the wheels turning and rolling back here behind the scenes. But there's also something really majorly huge that's going to be happening for me and him in 2020, and that is
we're getting married.
We're getting married. So you guys, I know I get so many comments that with compliments to Brian, how great he is, how handy he is, and you all say how wonderful of a hubby he is, and he might as well be, and it's a very long time coming, but it's just not official yet. We've been engaged for quite a while now, but we're finally going to tie the knot this summer. So that's another thing that I may do some more exclusive content for my members, for the devoted DIYers. So make sure to check that too. We may even stream the wedding live just for the membership. And maybe just bring you along for shopping and things that I may not necessarily want to put here on my channel, but would be fun to share with those that are like really interested and are part of my membership. So yeah, we do have a lot to share here on the channel with the wedding, because there will be some DIYs involved. Some builds involved. It's not going to be a huge wedding, but we're hoping that it's one that's really special and personalized and intimate and meaningful. So I think that's probably the biggest thing for 2020. There is something that nobody knows about yet that is also coming the summer of 2020. We're going to be rolling that out in July. So I've been working hard behind the scenes on that. So if you're not subscribed, if you have friends who enjoy DIY content, builds, home decor, budget decor, party planning, farmhouse style, and just kind of a homey type place where we're just creative here, I hope you will subscribe, and I hope you will invite your friends to subscribe as well, because 2020 is going to be a really big, exciting year. But we're interested too in knowing what you guys have planned for 2020. I hope you have some exciting plans. Let me know down in the comments below, what are your big plans for 2020? So again, I hope you will join us on this journey over the next year. Please give this video a thumbs up for me, subscribe, and we will see you all in the next tutorial. Bye everyone.
Bye. Oh, lots of stuff to do.
So much stuff to do.